we can continue to at least, the very least, prevent to damage to properties and safety of our students. As you all know, 1 kilometer away from this, puro eskwelahan, at yung mga mamamayan na naghahanap buhay at mga mamamayan sa Paco, Ermita, Malate area. At kalaunan, we are hoping also na yung DNR budget na ibinigay sa DPWH na lumang amount ay sana madagdagan na ng DNR para na madagdagan yung development na ginawa para sa STP with regard to the mandamos requirements to the city and to the national government. So for the meantime, pwede itong ibaba, pwede itong buksan. At ginarantihan naman, tutulungan kami ng MMDA na anumang solid materials floating in our body of water in this corner, tutulungan kami na uli ng MMDA. In fact, may trash trap na doon dito sa likod ng Manila Yacht.